do you know the different ways to select multiple emails in Gmail? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life, well, that little bit easier. So here I am in my Gmail, Google Mail, and you can see that the first thing in terms of selecting, now I'm talking about selecting, not opening, just to be a bit clearer, is that at the beginning of each line that represents my email, I've got a little tick box. It says select, and of course all I need to do is I just click on it and my email is selected. I'm sure you already knew that, but don't forget what we've got is if you want more than one, you can actually click on multiple emails, again all in that selection tick box at the beginning of the row, to then highlight them and perform commands on them. So that's great if you want, well, just a few for what's on screen. So that's a useful thing. However, if I untick them, you can see that at the top, what I've got on my little ribbon is the very first option is another tick box, another selection option, and I can click on there to select all of my emails. Now, when I say all, it's actually all of my emails on this page. You can see it says 50 out of 51. So I've got one email on the next page and it hasn't automatically selected. If I don't want them all selected, I can click again and that takes me back to none. And what I've actually got is there's a drop down arrow here, and that lets me select specific emails. So if I want to select the ones that I haven't read, that are unread, I can do that. And again, useful, I can click on that selection screen again, the tick box at the top, to deselect things. So that's great if I want specific types, but what if I want a mixture? Now actually maybe what I want is my first email all the way down to my bottom one that I haven't read. So I'm going to click on the select option for the first one, move the mouse down to the last one that I want to select, and now on my keyboard I'm going to hold the shift key down and click, left click. It's now selected from the first one that I selected all the way down to the last one. So that's a really useful option that I can do at any point. And again, if I really don't want all of those, well, I've got two choices. If there are a few that I don't want, I can simply deselect them or just remove the tick box. Or if I don't want any of them selected, I can click on that selection tool at the top, and again I've got all of them unselected, back to normal. Hope that you found this useful. If you have, please do give the video a thumbs up, like the video, and remember, if you'd like to be told of new videos as they become available, subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.